How to edit journal entry in QuickBooks. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Editing journal entries in QuickBooks is an essential skill for managing accurate financial records. Whether you need to correct an error, update an entry, or adjust your financial data, knowing how to properly edit entries ensures your accounting remains precise and up to date. So firstly, access your transactions. Log in to QuickBooks Online and then open the transactions. Further, download existing journal entries. Select the type of data and then choose for the option for journal entries. Further, export journal entries. Download the journal entries you want to edit and filter and export. Here, select journal entries in transactions or list option and then select the preferred search style inside data type and give the data range. Next, give the template. Refine your search by using show records from option and journal number. Now, open the exported file. The exported data will usually be in an Excel or CSV format. Open this file using a spreadsheet application like Excel or Google Sheets. Further, locate the entry to edit and find the specific journal entry you want to modify. You can search by date, entry ID, or description. Further, make the necessary changes. Finally, re-import the edited entries. Prepare for import. Save the edited file in CSV format as this is the format transaction typically accepts for imports. Now upload the file. Go back to transactions and choose the modify option and select journal entries as the data type. Further, map the field. After mapping, review the data for accuracy and once confirmed, proceed with the import. So this is how you can edit journal entry in QuickBooks. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.